Hi guys, I'm Tim from Pacvac. Today I'm going to show you how to do a velo filtration upgrade for better performance of your machine. To do this, you'll need the lid and filtration service kit, SEK 016. Included in the kit is offset lid, paper bag, reusable SMS dust bag, and a cone filter. First step is we need to take off the hose, unscrew anti-clockwise. Now we can take off our lid by removing the latches, take out the dust bag and the cartridge filter by turning anti-clockwise. Now we can install our filtration kit, the cone first, dust bag, over the cone, paper bag, over the dust bag, push down, and the lid. Now we can screw our hose back in. All done.